Hey Tritons, welcome back to the Commuter Student to Commuter Student video series. This video will be taking the applications learned in the last video and put them in use for this video.
When planning your bus trip, think about which bus you want to get on first.
For MTS buses, you can use the Compass Cloud app. The Compass Cloud app has a unique feature called Trip Tools, which will help you plan your trip from destination to destination. It includes live ride time, security, and how to ride the bus.
If you don't know what bus stop you're on, all you have to do is check the stop ID. That way you can track your bus. And if you have a bike, all you have to do is hook the bike onto the rack.
At UC San Diego, if you need to travel from one destination to another, you don't necessarily need to walk. You can take a shuttle instead.
After planning your trip, you can access the schedules on the UC San Diego mobile app. When choosing a shuttle, all you have to do is present your UC San Diego ID card to the bus driver and